Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am in the outdoor testing studio where this product belongs in this beautiful red Milwaukee box. I have a tool which I'm going to tell you about. I'll tell you some of the features, my experience with it, and then I will give you a Doug score from 1 to 5. Let you know what I think of this and if it is worthwhile for you. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. I think you know this is a Sawzall, a 12 amp, old school, corded Sawzall. This is freaking giant. This weighs a ton. This thing is bulletproof. It is amazing. I have used this on every kind of material you could possibly imagine. I mean, I have cut metal bars, I've cut plywood, I have cut 2x4s, I have cut trees. Oh, I did cut trees. Actually, I don't have the blade here. It is somewhere else. I should have had it because this is a good story. So we had a hurricane in New York and I had a tree down. My freaking chainsaw croaked out, but I have a crazy blade for this thing that's about this long, and I literally cut up a tree with this thing. I think I'm gonna end it there. That is everything you need to know about this. This is a full 5 out of 5. Could be a 6 out of 5 if you're into really cool, hardcore, amazing tools. This is it. We will see you next time.